Okay, so let's solve. I can take 48 outside, common 48 integral 3 root 2 upon 4 3 root 3 upon 4 1 upon square root of 3, 9 is what? 3 square minus 4x square is what? 2x the whole square dx. Now it is of the form a square 1 upon a square minus x square. Okay, that is what? Sin inverse x upon a. Okay, we have formula. So therefore this is same as, we have square root of integral a square minus x square dx is what? Sin inverse x by a plus some constant c. Okay, this formula we have. Applying this formula, we have 48 into sin inverse. What is x? X is what? Twice x upon a, means 3 into, okay, 1 upon d by dx of twice x is what? 2. Okay, then limit is from 3 root 2 by 4 3 root 3 by 4. This half I can send outside, this by 2. So let's substitute upper limit this, and if I cancel this, then I have 24. Substitute upper limit, sin inverse of 2 by 3. What is x? X is what? 3 root 3 upon 4 minus, what is lower limit? Sin inverse 2 by 3. X means what? 3 root 2 upon 4. Now 3 gets cancelled. Here we have 2. 3 gets cancelled. We have 2. This is same as 24 sin inverse root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 minus sin inverse, here root 2 by 2. Okay, root 2 by 2 is same as root 2. Okay, this is same as 2 root 2. Root 2 into 2 is what? 2. So 2 gets cancelled. I can say it's 1 by root 2. Okay. Now in sine formula we have 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. For sine, 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Okay. Now sin inverse root 3 by 2 is what? 60 degree. Therefore 24, 60 is same as pi by 3 minus, what is 1 by root 2? Is pi by 4. So if this is same as 24, if I take here, okay, now 4 3s are 12, 4 pi minus 3 pi is what? 24. If I cancel, become 2. 4 pi minus 3 pi is what? 2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi is the required answer.